Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be playing some, I don't know what oh yeah, if you hear background noise, that's my sister and, my cousin on the phone. So, yeah, I don't, yeah, English not working. But, yeah, we're gonna be playing, Skyblock. Well, I don't know what server this is. But I'm playing on Minecraft Bedrock Edition, so yeah, this is gonna be fun. Oh my, whoa, I'm lagging. I'm good. Woo, I haven't played Minecraft in so long. That's not, she's lying. Oh wait, this is like, oh no, I don't. Okay, we're not playing this game. I have to take off my headset because my headset gets a little weird every once in a while. Let's play this game. I'm pretty sure this is a game that I play. See, as you can see, that's my sister. So, just wait. I actually haven't really planned this, so I might be a little bit off. Oh yeah, I'm back. I haven't recorded in like a month or two. I've been doing some other stuff, some schoolwork. Well, not summer schoolwork. Some work. Murder mystery. Mysteries. That's what I meant to say. 100%. I'm not very good at Minecraft anymore because I haven't played in a long time. My mouse thing is a little weird. I got a little, just like a small different, it's like the tiniest of tiniest adjustments. So I'm not gonna be as fast as possible in the song. I don't know if you guys can hear them, but they're screaming at me. Not screaming, but so yeah, I actually know the best spot on this map. But kill him. I know that's him. Make him commit not living. Okay, I'm gonna need a. What the? Oh, he killed me. Oh, that sucks. Sorry, I screamed. I was just very startled. Yeah, I'm going back to my old setup. There we go. Now it should be a little better. Is that the slightest better? This is how I usually play. I'm gonna put some treasure horse. I don't know. I'm just gonna do solos. Okay. I'm on the ship. Parkour. Oh no! My new setup failed me. How did people get up there so fast? That was really good. Also, my mouse is really loud. No, so cool. Thinking. Wait, am I using? No, I thought it was hacking because I could move. I think that's my generator. Oh my god. I don't really play Treasure Wars. Like, I play it like every once in a while, but not as much. And it's on black. 32. This kid might rush me. I don't know if I should rush or just have a super OP defense. I don't really know what they're doing. Okay, you can see not as good because he's like super duper ecstatic about that. Did you see like the slightest? Like the slightest of argument? These kids know how to bridge. I don't know how to. Oh my gosh, that could have been the end. Like, I'm not very good at it. See, the thing.
Oh, there we go. We found a cave. I found coal.
Did I get her? I didn't get her. No. I'm not very good at PvP. I'm dead. Oh no. Okay, I gotta run and then just. Oh no! I was just spam building. I was so scared. I don't know what I was doing. I don't know what was happening. Is he hacking? He's hacking. Oh no, I fell. Oh no, so dumb. Oh. Well, that's the end of me. Alright, I'm dead. I gotta run. Back up! I don't know what they're doing over there. Might be something. No, please! No, please! No, please! No, please! Yep, I'm out. Oh no, I fell! Oh, I'm respawn. I'm respawn. Oh no! Oh no! No! I'm going to move. That game wasn't as good. I tried to hide. I think that was a good idea. Oh no. My finger slipped. I just had KFC. That's not an excuse. Yeah! Let's go! I don't know what Cheekies is. Who's Cheekies? I've never had a violet in my life. I think she's talking to someone else. Do they have this thing? No, they don't. Okay, I'm on Aqua Team. Actually, Aqua Team's very lucky to me sometimes, actually. 2 diamonds, okay. I can quickly buy. I might have to bring over to diamonds really quick. Get some gold, some blocks, some wool. I'm not very good at PvP, as you guys have seen from my other experiences. But not that good. I bet it might be safe. I said might. How did someone really lose their bed? I don't. Yeah, you guys can hear him, right? Oh my! How are these kids so good at bridging? Oh my gosh! How? How? I'm kind of scared that my finger's gonna let go. guys saw that, right? You guys saw that.
What?
I cannot be the only one who saw. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad. Oh my god, that's funny. Okay. I need stuff. I need 32 andesite or whatever it's called. I know they need a pickaxe for this, so probably gotta cover my whole thing with this. So I think I'll be fine. I have like a super OP defense. Oh, I haven't been talking a lot. I've kind of just been building stuff. Okay, time to get some more of this. I don't think there's no obsidian. I'm gonna make like a little wall over here. What the heck? Oh my gosh, that's such a big oof. Okay, luckily my base is heavily defended. Just take him quite a while before he can get in there. Oh, he already got in. Oh, he already got in. Oh, that's a big oof. Oh, that's a big oof. Ah, GG's. Alright, let's go on a different server. These kids are so sweaty. Alright. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, these are all my worlds with someone. I don't know who did this. I'm just gonna delete this around. Oh yeah, by the way, you gotta go all the way down and just hit delete world. If you want to delete the world. Actually, I'm in the next videos, like the next couple of videos, I'm gonna be doing like how-to videos, like how to do stuff. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's been fun. I haven't uploaded in a long time for personal reasons, but yeah. Bye.